Welcome to Cooking Tutorials with Dree. Today we are making Franks in a Blanket, your favorite comfort food. I know it is. It's so yummy and delicious. Now I'm going to roll out this dough. Time to cut into a square. Cut your hot dogs. Those are already boiled. And now cut your dough into these slices here. Here's how you make this. Place them into a baking pan. We have butter and we're going to add some seasoning. Garlic powder, garlic salt, onion powder, and regular salt. Melt your butter and seasoning. Place your butter and seasoning on top of your Franks in a Blanket.